Do you need to calculate the rental points on a property in the Netherlands? I'm Floris from Dutch Realtor Training, and in this video I'm going to explain to you on how you do that. Check it out. All right, so this is the website of the Dutch Rental Commission, Huurcommissie. And by the time you watch this video, this website just been renewed because there's like a new rental point calculation system. So it's pretty exciting, by the way. I haven't done this a lot of times myself. So yeah, let's check it out. First is that you are obligated to fill in the postal code of the property and the house number. And this one has an addition. It's 22 RD. So if you do it like this, it doesn't work. In this case, you have to do it like a /RD. And then hopefully it works. Yep. It works. This moment you can only choose one period, but I think this is most of the case, this is just standard, auto selected, I mean. And then there's like the tax value of the property, which you can easily look up on the website of woningwaarderingsstelsel. In this case, I'm going to assume that the tax value of the property is just 500,000 euros. Now, the cool thing is that he automatically picks the energy label from the Dutch official energy label database. So you don't have to change this. But you could change it if you think that you have not enough rental points. In this case, it's a D label. Maybe we don't have enough rental points and we need to test if with, for example, a B label, we would have enough rental points. In that case, you can just change it here and see how much it affects the total number of rental points. I'm not changing it now. All right, so this is an upper apartment. And an upper apartment we call a meergezinswoning. If it's just a house, just you are the only one in the entire building, then we call it an eengezinswoning. So in your right, you see the total number of rental points. Now we already have 11, so that's good. I think we need like 188 by the time you watch this video, or by the time this video is recorded, to be able to ask any rent you want. So it's going to be challenging. Okay, so like, is there any central space that belongs to the property, like a central hallway or whatever? In this case, there's not. That's what we call gemeenschappelijke binnenruimtes. Just going to continue over here. So over here, we're going to select a couple of rooms in the property. We'll start, of course, with the living room. And I'm going to assume my living room of the Waldeck Piermonstraat is around 40 square meters. Normally you would measure this yourself or use the Funda floor plans to check this out. But in this case, I'm just gonna estimate it. What we want to know here, if that this living room is heated. Over here it says standard no, but I have radiators in my living room, so I'm going to hit yes. But before I do, please take a look at the total number of rental points on the right side of the screen. You see it's 40, it says here 40, but if I hit yes, it has heating, it goes to 42. So if a room has heating, you're getting extra rental points for that. Does it have cooling? Well, no, it doesn't, but if it would have, you're getting extra rental points. All right, so I'm going to add this room over here. So that's check. I have a kitchen, for example, in this property, and the kitchen is whatever, 1 by 3. Just gonna fill fill it in a bit quicker. And the kitchen has heating. And then you have like the aanrecht. What's the name for aanrecht? The I don't know, where you cut your vegetables. We're gonna put that here in the screen now. The stupid thing is you're getting rental points depending on how long your aanrecht is. If your aanrecht is longer than 2 meters, then you're gonna get extra rental points for that. Don't ask me why, but you're gonna get a lot of extra rental points. Look at what it does here. 51, 54. So that's great. And then you have the appliances in the kitchen that you can also select. We have an extraction, for example. We have a electrical cooking. We have a luxury tap. We have whatever it is you have. You have a fridge and a freezer, whatever, microwave oven, stuff like that. Gonna add the kitchen. Now, I'm just gonna go quickly because we have 2 bedrooms over here. Add the bedrooms as well. It is heated. 1 bedroom and another bedroom. And yes, it is heated. And of course, it's nice to have a shower once in a while, so we have a bathroom as well. With a radiator. We have a shower. It's heated, and we have a bath. And a toilet. We have a very big sink where you can brush your teeth together with your girlfriend at the same time. And electricity. Well, we're going to just add that. Let's leave it like this. Cool thing is that you see that I have already 181 rental points, where I needed 188, if I'm not mistaken, in order to be able to ask any rent I want. So we're doing good. Let's see what else we can pick to get more rental points. Well, the cool thing is that this property actually have a roof terrace of 20 square meter. That's really what it has. So we're just gonna add it. And you will see I now have 188 rental points. Woo! But be careful. It's better if we have a bit more rental points, because maybe if my tenants, they file objection against their rent, they can do it at the Dutch Rental Commission, and they make a calculation and they calculate 186 rental points, then I have a problem. So it's better to have a little bit extra rental points. So don't drink champagne. Never drink champagne, by the way. You're never sure in this kind of business. Any parking space? No, I don't have that. Is it, and here's where it really becomes interesting. Is it a protected city site? Well, if it was, let's see what it does. Then it's gonna give a 5% extra addition to that. But we can also say that it is a monument. It's not a monument, but just look what happens if it is a monument. Take a look at the number of rental points right now. It's crazy. Look at how much rental points you're getting for a monument. It's like 50 rental points. So if you rent out a property with 50 rental points, that is a monument, you're getting 50 rental points. That's crazy. So it is not a monument, and we only had 188 points. So my advice would be to go one step back and to see what kind of stuff you could add to the property in order to get a little bit extra more rental points. Maybe some more luxury, some extra cupboards, stuff like that. Does the house have an intercom, for example? Well, oh no, it doesn't, but I'm gonna buy an intercom for 200 euros. And how much rental? Oh, it's 1 rental point. Okay. So now we have the total number of rental points, assuming it's a monument, which it is not, but just for the example. And we can download this PDF. And we can store it in our file. Always be very careful when you make a rental point calculation for your clients as a realtor, because you could make mistakes and you don't want to be held responsible if the tenants file an objection with success at the rental commission. So you have calculated the wrong rental point. So always make a disclaimer and let your tenants calculate it yourself. But you now have a rough idea on how to do it, and that you can actually do it pretty quickly, especially when you already have the funda floor plans. All right, so guys, hope this video helps. I'm Floris from Dutch Realtor Training. In our training, we explain you everything there is about to know about rental rights, renting out properties, buying, selling, everything you need to know as a realtor, constructional stuff at our training at dutchrealtortraining.nl. Hope to see you soon and have a great day.